spinning on my hip and make them flip you, do gymnastics. Big man blasters, big man blasters.
So I finally got a vertical grip for my Sugar Weasel. Got the Magpul M-Lock. That's the second FDE. Inside the box is just the grip and 2 screws. So they don't give you the Allen wrench or the mini tool. You're going to need a 1/4 inch and this one you're going to need the 7th and 64s. Make sure it's a long stem Allen wrench, because it will not work unless you have the long stem. Short stem doesn't slide on it. It's super hard to do. So first step, gotta take this off. We're going to attach it right under here. That, so then come here. Pop-ups. Pro tip. Connect them all first. Screw on first. Hand tighten it as much as you can. Once you get it in there, you got to get it like going this way so it locks within that rail, this bottom rail right here. So get one finger in there, lock it in, use the other one. Tight. That locks right in there, real tight. I don't want to have to do this again. See, they're all within that rail. Looking good, looking good. It's really tight. Can't, no gaps. Hit it one last time. Make sure that the little dot is towards the back. Welcome back, Byron Has a Blast, and I got Magpul Vertical grip and FDE to match the 50 shades of FDE on the Sugar Weasel, but it's looking good. It allows me to quick access the pop-up sights also. I think it makes the gun look more proportionate, also like a H.
Hey, man,